So we have completed our brownies and blondie class after actually pretty long gap. I think February was my last class for the brownies and blondies. I have done today. Brownies and blondies have been always my most hit class during lockdown. I had literally done these classes every month. Okay, like brownies and blondies was something which everybody appreciated and have been appreciating till now. Plus, since it's winter season, warm brownies, warm blondies along with ice cream is the best thing even in winters, whether it's winters or whether it's summers. So brownies and blondies में हमने काफ़ी variations किए हैं. With demand, I had 4 online students who joined me from Pan India. And brownies and blondies, I have got some new addition this time. It's not my old version. It's got few new additions of brownies and blondies today. Now coming to your brownies and blondies, we have first done our classic brownies. Classic brownies have been always there in all my orders. So I have always worked with my classic brownies with variations. Now coming to the variations, this is my classic brownie. So where we've done with choco chip and your cookie. So this will be named as brookie. Okay, that's a regular choco chip cookie with chunks of chocolate, but of course when it cools down, the chocolate also cools down. So there is nothing that which oozes out from the cookie. That's a Kit Kat brownie. So I have put a Kit Kat spread on top of my classic brownie. That's a brookie again, cookie with a brownie. That's the texture of my brownie. And also to show you some more variation, I have done Kit Kat spread ke saath brownie bites. So see, you have one recipe with variations, 3-4 variations. Okay, and that's how my classic brownie looks. It's nice and soft. It's got that black gooey texture in the center. And that's how you can dip it also with various options I have given you कि आपको ब्राउनी बाइट्स को किस में डिप करके बनाना है फॉर अ क्रंच. ओके, फरेरो हो गया, बिस्कॉफ हो गया, हेजलनट्स हो गए, दिस लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. किट कैट हो गया. सेकंड, वी डिड अ cookie cup brownie also. So same recipe, we made a cookie cup and we made a brownie, and then I've decorated with ganache and some hazelnuts on the top. You can put any nuts of your choice. Next, coming to another version of your brownie is your whole wheat jaggery brownie. Now this I have given with a Biscoff twist. So यहाँ पे हमने इसका नाम दिया है Biscoff brick brownie. So this brownie is made with whole wheat, jaggery and with Biscoff as top. On the top, so it gives you that brick look, and that's how I have cut it in the brick. Okay, so that's your Biscoff brownie bricks. Next, my most favorite till today, since I have tried from all of them today. So this is my millet brownie. Millet brownie is again with raw sugar. It's made with jawar flour, so obviously I named this as millet. And to give a little crunch, I have used caramelized jaggery based cornflakes. So again, we've made our cornflakes healthy and not using any refined sugar. Okay, so that's how our your millet brownie looks. It's very, very soft. So if I break and show you, so that's your millet brownie with a cornflake crunch. This is the most softest brownie, or you can say a fudgy brownie. This is how the texture of a millet brownie looks. Okay. Now coming to red velvet. Now red velvet, this was from my old class, but of course this is evergreen, versatile. So this is a red velvet with cream cheese. So we have a cream cheese layer and red velvet brownie, you can call it as. You can make it as 2 layers, 3 layers, completely your choice. We have done 2 layers of cheese. So literally you can see it's gone inside also. Now that's also one of my most favorite blondie. Now blondie is a vanilla version of a brownie. I have made today with almonds and butterscotch. While you're eating this, if it is warm, it's best to be eaten warm because the butterscotch oozes in your mouth. Okay, so try having a butterscotch blondie while it is warm. Lastly, that's my blondie but made with a twist of ube. Now ube is a Filipino spread. It's a specialization, very popular, you can say, in Philippines, Manila, where ube is like a purple yam spread. Okay, and this gives you a very nice soft texture. We have made a blondie out of ube. I have given you variation. You can make it as pista cranberry or any other add-ons you want to. I have given a touch of pistachios and the ube. So that's your blondie. So basically we did 2 blondies, 1 red velvet, 3 chocolate brownies, but all the 3 brownies were totally different. एक मैदा बेस था, एक मिलेट बेस था, एक आटा बेस था. ठीक है. So this way we completed so many variations in brownies and blondies. Pricing भी discuss हो गई कि how much you're supposed to charge, how you can keep them in your boxes and give away. All the shelf life of these brownies can be 3 to 4 days outside without keeping in the refrigerator. Make sure they are airtight, packed properly in an airtight box so that they don't become dry. Okay, otherwise they are all soft. No doubt, Vimal had a question that कड़क हो जाएगा, ब्राउनी हार्ड हो जाएगी, बट नहीं होगी. ऑनेस्टली ये भी आपकी ब्राउनी कभी भी हार्ड नहीं होगी, ये भी आपका सॉफ्ट ही रहता है. इट डजंट बिकम हार्ड. रिमेंबर बटर है ब्राउनी में, तो थोड़ा क्रस्ट ऊपर का कड़क होता है, क्रिस्पी होता है. ब्राउनी हमेशा अंदर से सॉफ्ट रहती है. अंडर बेक योर ब्राउनी, नॉट ओवर बेक, सो यू विल नॉट हैव अ हार्ड इशू ऑफ योर ब्राउनीज. ठीक है. एनी क्वेश्चंस? ऑल गुड. ठीक है. आज की रिकॉर्डिंग हुई है. दोज हु मिस द क्लास एंड वुड लाइक टू परचेज द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ द क्लास, ब्राउनीज एंड ब्लॉन्डीज की रिकॉर्डिंग है अवेलेबल. DM me and I will tell you the details of the recorded fees. Thank you. Okay, thank you girls.
Bye bye.